Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a Lego butterfly knife like so. Like the spy from Team Fortress 2. It opens and closes like a spy's does, but let's get to the making. Here are the pieces. We need two 1x15 round Technic pieces. I used this, but it should be about half the length of these, so about to here, but I just used this because that's all I had. You will need 3 of these, like that. They are 3 long, 3 of these long, 1, 2, 3. You will need 1 of these where it has a round and it has that in the middle. That is what you will put that in. And you need a 3x1 Technic piece, 2 of them. And you will need some flat 1x things to cover those both sides, all the sides. So let's start. I have decorated, flattened one side, but I left one because that's where we will be connecting. It's just this one side. You don't have to do it like this, it's just better, it feels better when you hold it. So let's do that on the rest. Now we have 2 of them, and they should both look like that. They don't have to be the same color. I just used what bricks I had. That might be low quality, but that was all I had at the moment. So right now what we're going to do is we're going to take these. Well, first we're going to take these and add these into that little hole so they can connect. I'm gonna be right back. So when you add them in, they should look like that. And now what we are going to do is we're going to make the blade part. So we are going to add the blade into this little slot. Let's do that right now.
I would like to work it out as a family.
Now, when you have that connected, we will be adding those onto that. And then we will be adding that to lock it in place. Let's do that right now.
Just because, and I'm saying this, in retrospect, when we first got the dogs, maybe it's not so important, but, those 2 dogs were getting old. So, it's just coincidental that we had them in
and now to finish, we are going to insert this on here like so, and there you have it, a Lego butterfly knife tutorial. You can flip it around like so, and you have a Lego butterfly knife. Use it to backstab your enemies, just like Spy does. Now kids, don't use this on your parents. It is very violent. Don't really order these in real life. Like, don't order the real thing, because they can armor pierce, but this is just for a prop. So, thank you for watching, and